So you're a Kindle owner and you don't want to pay $15+ just for one Kindle charm. Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own Kindle charms. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to Temu and search up charms and dust plugs to pick out your own charms and own dust plugs. Here are just a few of the ones that I got from Temu, and you're also going to need these little jump rings. All you have to do is add a dust charm and then one of the charms. You're going to close it up, and then that's it. It's that simple. I promise you. And you can make them a little bit better by adding more charms to them. You can add little letters or little beads to it, whatever you want to do. Very much customizable. I feel like it's also a nice little thing to do if you're going to do like a book club or you want to make a bunch for your friends. I have no book friends, so I now just have 5 million of these, but I will continue to make more because they're so fun and so easy, and you can make so many of these in under like 5 minutes for sure. If you decide to make them and you have any questions at all, please leave a comment and I would be more than happy to help you out. And at the end of this video, I will show some clips of all of the dust charms that I made and what it looks like. I will say that my favorite ones are the ones that have the little crystals in them and the ones that have the cats reading a book. Those ones are like the cutest ones to me. I would love to know which one is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments.